Hey, how's it going, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be taking a look at the Japanese girl group Chalca and their new music video called Howling. Oh, sorry, I like doing that. Anyway, never mind the cringe. Let's just jump right into the reaction, shall we? Oh yeah. Oh. Okay, that was an unexpected change up right there. I could have swore that I seen this backdrop used on multiple music videos. The interior and the exterior. It looks like a junkyard of sorts. Whoa. By the way, their outfits? Fire. Ooh. Yeah. Like, I don't know, man. I think I seen it in like several I think it was a Japanese metal band or two. I don't know, did Deviloof shoot here? Or Sim? This place where this music video takes place, I've seen this very interior, and I've seen this shot, like this this building, because I remember seeing this stairway in several Japanese metal videos. Oh my gosh, I just can't place them. When you watch enough, whether it doesn't matter, Asian pop music or whatever, when you start watching music videos, like a lot of music videos every single week, you start to notice, like, that looks familiar, and then all of a sudden you find yourself in a Paradise Diner situation. If you guys don't know what Paradise Diner is, just Google Paradise Diner K-pop music videos. You'll see what I mean. Part of the song is in English, but yeah, there's only auto-generated subtitles. There's no actual built-in subtitles. I'll just turn it off for now. Dude, the composition of the music is like, I'm gonna take you on a merry-go-round, okay? We're gonna start off with metal. We're gonna go with a little bit of industrial, and then we're gonna go with a little bit of you know, a little bit of rhythm and blues, a tiny bit of jazz, and then we might do like a little bit of electro house, and then we're right back into rock. Man. Going with that jazz vibes again. Oh, speaking of which, these outfits are so awesome. Like, Joshi wrestlers could wrestle in these, literally. Sorry. I bring that up because I love wrestling. Stardom, Tokyo Joshi Pro, shout out. Ice Ribbon, shout out. Wow, those... Are they fake jewels? Whatever that was shining in the sunlight, man. By the way, I want to know who the costume designer is. Did the girls make it? Do they have a do they have an artist that makes their clothes? This is great looking stuff, man. This outfit is cosplayers' wet dream right here, man. I'm telling you, the costume designer's wet dream. This is awesome. Okay, that was Chalca Howling. Whoa. That was a lot to take in, you know. I'm sweating. That was a really hot music video anyway. Like, comment, subscribe, tell me what you guys thought about this new music video. Help me get the 5K before the end of the year. No J-pop reaction stream on Monday. I'm gonna save the J-pop reaction live stream for Wednesday. This coming week, I think we're gonna mix in some international pop music. We're gonna do some dedicated K-pop music videos. We're also gonna do some Filipino, some Thai pop, and maybe some metal as well. Anyway, thank you guys so much for watching. I really appreciate it. I'll see you guys soon. Peace. Jumbo.